Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. In this video, we want to still consider the problems under indices. So very quickly, I want to teach you a very important concept. In this video, you'll be learning two things at the same time. So one is how to solve indices that are leading to simultaneous equation. The second thing you'll be learning is a fast way of solving simultaneous equation. So this is the takeaway for this video. Do well to stick with me to the end of this video. Now watch. I mentioned in my previous video, I said how do you identify indices problem that would lead you to simultaneous equation. I mentioned that whenever you are given two equations at the same time to solve, that is enough to tell. But in case you are not okay with that, when you have two unknown or two variables, it means it's going to lead you to simultaneous. So we're solving these two equations at the same time so that we can find x and y simultaneously. So let's quickly do this. Starting from the first one, we already have a common base, right? Which is 3 and 3. So it means I can equate their powers. So I would have that y, which is this, should be equal to the power here 2x plus 1 plus 2. So if I should write this in a standard way, I would simply have that y minus 2x equals 2. So I'll call this equation 1. Now let's go to the second one. You still notice we have a common base 27 and 27, which simply means I can equate their powers. So I would have y equals x plus 3. So rearranging this, I would have that y minus x equals 3. So I'll call this equation 2. So you can see that these indices have led me to simultaneous equation. So how do I solve this simultaneous equation under exam condition without calculator? Very fast. So I'll show you a simple way. So I want to solve for y. So what you do, okay, let me write out these equations again together. So I have y minus 2x equals 2, and then I have y minus x equals 3. We can use substitution, elimination, and so on, but let me show you another method that can help us solve it very fast. So I want to solve for y. So what I would simply do is to say 2, this constant, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, then minus this times this is going to give me minus 6, all divided by the coefficient here, which is 1 times this is minus 1, then the coefficient here times this, which is what? I have my minus, this coefficient times this, which is what now? Minus 2. So what do I have as my y? I have minus 2, this times this is plus. So I have minus 2 plus 6 is 4, divided by this 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So y is 4. Now if I do the same way, I want to solve for x. So what will I do? I'll simply say the coefficient here times this. So 1 times 3 is 3 minus 2 times 1, which is 2 minus 2, all divided by 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Then there's a minus. Then minus 2 times 1, I have what? Minus 2. So what do I have here? 3 minus 2 is 1, divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. So my x is 1. My y is 4, and my x is 1. So I believe this concept is clear. If you really don't understand what I've done here, what I've actually used there is the Cramer's rule. So check one of my videos, my short videos. You see where I explained the Cramer's rule. So, but we can still solve this. Say you don't understand this. So let me quickly help you again. So this is my answer. My y is 4 and my x is 1. So let's solve it differently. So we can solve this by elimination, so that I'm going to multiply through this second equation by minus 1. Or let's just say subtract this minus this, right? So very quickly, y minus y is 0. It will go. minus 2x minus times minus, what will it give me? Plus. So I have minus 2x plus x to give me minus x equal to, remember what I did is minus 2x plus x, minus 2x plus x. This will give me minus x, right? Yes. Then 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So that minus can go, I'll have that x is 1. Is this same as what we got? Of course, it's same thing. So since I know that x is 1, I can go back to this first equation or this one and find y. So let's use this. Y minus x is 3. Then y minus, what is x? 1 equals 3. So y becomes 3 plus 1, which is what? 4. So you can see we've got same thing. X is 1, y is 4. So any of these methods you like, drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know which method to stick with. So I believe this is very clear to you. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I'll solve more problems under indices. Thanks for watching Prime Concept.